I think I bought the cheapest power bank with all possible accessories. So I bought this power bank at good discount from Amazon for only 11 bucks. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, INIU or INIU. So when I opened the box and I saw all these accessories, I was sure that something was wrong. Or the cables are of poor quality, or the power bank doesn't have the declared capacity. It cannot be so cheap and at the same time work perfectly. After a month of use, I can say that I'm very satisfied. This is not an advertisement. It has a very nice design, it is small and light enough. The top has a small display that shows the current capacity in percentages with a simple touch of this sensor. The capacity of this power bank is 10,000 mA and offers a fast charge up to 3A. I tested it with a USB tester and I can say that it provides stable declared amperage. Regarding the capacity, as you know, 10,000 mA are declared at the voltage of 3.7 volt. But almost all devices currently charging via USB are requiring 5 volts, and using a simple math, we'll get a current capacity of 7,400 mA. So when you charge a device, there is a voltage conversion from 3.7 volts to 5 volts. During this conversion, you can lose between 5–15% of the battery capacity. It depends on its quality. I checked with a USB tester and I got 6,370 mA, which means that it has 86% of the declared capacity. I think it's pretty good for such a low price. That was about it for today. Don't forget to hit the like and sub button. I'll see you next time.